corn palace. Look at that. It is all corn.
Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for flying with
BYBA Travel. Mitchell, South Dakota, right next to the Scoreboard Pub and Grill, is where you can find some of the best popcorn. The Corn Palace. Open year-round and free admission, everybody. It was built in 1892 to dramatically display the products of the harvest of South Dakota farmers, which I would think it'd be in Indiana or Iowa maybe, but nope. Right here in South Dakota, the murals are made from thousands of bushels of corn and other grains like wild oats, rye, straw, and wheat. So they did some amazing work with this corn. That's real corn. Let's zoom in. Oh yeah, real corn. So much to digest. Or wait, our bodies don't even digest corn, but that's another video because when you walk through these doors, you get to taste it. And not just the 100-year-old corn on the building, but all of the different flavors of the popcorn that you can think of. Look at that lemon, green apple, caramel cupcake. You will turn into corn, guys. I've always wondered where all the old corn goes once it's flushed. Ew. I'm not sure if that's true, but this is one of the unique places that you need to throw on that bucket list because I'll tell you, you can walk in and away with so much corn paraphernalia. There's a whole gymnasium, guys, of corn and perks, and a lot of reference to ass kick, kick ass, whoop ass. Same thing my mom's gonna tell me if she hears me saying it. Ties, socks, you name it. They even had stuff for the dogs, and I thought that was so cute. Like, even the dogs had something. So, but yeah, if you're still here in the South Dakota area, you can't argue with free admission and the history this corn displays. So it definitely tells a story. Make sure pick up or purchase your favorite flavor of popcorn and check out Google Maps for the nearest toilet because y'all are in for a popular treat. That was supposed to be funny. So anyway. Yep, we were here. Let's go.